Thunder whispers through the midnight sky, neon reflections shimmer in your eyes. Your black dress moves like a burning flame. One slow dance and I forget my name. Every heartbeat follows your command, like a dream slipping through my hands. Last tango in the rain tonight, two hearts drowning in the city lights. Step by step we lose control. Fire and rhythm fill the soul. Hold me close and don't let go. Love is all we'll ever know. When the violins cry again, we will dance through storm and rain. Old cafe beneath the silver moon, the night is fading far too soon. Your soft perfume still fills the air, like a memory everywhere. One more kiss before goodbye, one more chance before the night dies. Last tango in the rain tonight, two hearts drowning in the city lights. Step by step we lose control. Fire and rhythm fill the soul. Hold me close and don't let go. Love is all we'll ever know. When the violins cry again, we will dance through storm and rain. Oh, the music calls our names. Love and sorrow sound the same. Turn around beneath the stars above. One last dance for broken love. Last tango in the rain tonight. Shadow lovers fading with the light. Even when the song is gone, our hearts will keep on dancing on. Through the darkness, through the pain, I will love you once again, till eternity remains in our last tango in the rain. Moonlight dancing on the old cafe floor. Your shadow whispers, come a little more. Red wine burning like a secret flame. One slow touch and I forget my name. Every heartbeat moves with the violin. Dangerous desire underneath my skin. Dance with me tonight in this midnight tango. Two lost souls where the wild winds blow. Step by step we're falling deeper, closer now. I can't keep calmer. Eyes like fire, hearts untamed. Kiss me slowly in the pouring rain. No tomorrow, no goodbye. Street lights shimmer on the empty lane. Your perfume lingers softly in my brain. The band is playing old romantic songs, and in your arms is where my heart belongs. Every motion feels like poetry. You and me become one melody. Dance with me tonight in this midnight tango. Two lost souls where the wild winds blow. Step by step we're falling deeper, closer now. I can't keep calmer. Eyes like fire, hearts untamed. Kiss me slowly in the pouring rain. No tomorrow, no goodbye. Only you and I in this tango night. Candles fading low, but we won't let go. One last spin beneath the stars above. Tango turns into eternal love. With me tonight, this midnight tango. Feel the rhythm taking full control. Hearts collide like drums of thunder. Pull me close, don't leave me under. When the music says farewell, a love story still will stay to tell. Through the dark, through the light, forever you and I in this tango night. Scarlet roses lying on the floor. Your shadow waits beside the open door. Slow guitar is crying through the night, while your eyes are burning in the light. One soft touch and I can barely breathe. Your love wraps around me like a dream. Scarlet tango, feel the fire rise, dancing slowly while the moonlight fills our eyes. Every heartbeat echoes through the dark like a flame igniting every spark. Take my hand and pull me near. Whisper words I long to hear, till the stars no longer glow. We will live inside this scarlet tango. Velvet curtains moving with the wind. Every kiss feels dangerous like sin. Old piano singing broken blues. Yet tonight I only dance with you. In your arms the world just fades away. Only rhythm makes our bodies stay. Scarlet tango, Rain keeps falling on the avenue tonight. Your lipstick fading underneath the city lights. An old cafe still plays our favorite song, but now I dance this lonely tango all alone. Every shadow reminds me of your name. Love and pain will never be the same. Broken tango hearts in the dark tonight, turning slowly underneath the fading light. One last kiss before you walked away. Now the music cries where we used to stay. Cold emotions wrapped in velvet glow, two lost souls with nowhere left to go. Still I hear you whisper soft and low inside my broken tango heart. Empty glass is standing by the wooden chair. Your memory still floating softly in the air. The violin is crying like my soul. Every note cuts deeper than before. I keep searching for your touch again, but love disappeared into the rain. Broken tango hearts in the dark tonight, turning slowly underneath the fading light. One last kiss before you walked away. Now the music cries where we used to stay. Cold emotions wrapped in velvet glow, two lost souls with nowhere left to go. Still I hear you whisper soft and low inside my broken tango heart. Dance with me once more inside my dream. Nothing here is ever what it seems. If tomorrow never comes again, I will wait for you until the end. Broken tango hearts still burn like fire, lost forever in forbidden desire. Though the night has stolen you away, your ghost continues with me every day. When the final violin plays slow, I will meet you where the wild winds blow. Till eternity will always know the pain of broken tango hearts.
Velvet shadows on the ballroom floor.
Your high heels echo through my soul once more. A cigarette burns in your crimson hand, like a dangerous queen I can't command. Your eyes are telling stories without words, every heartbeat louder than the birds. This is tango, burning through the night. Bodies moving slowly in the candlelight. Hold me closer, don't let go. Feel the fire, feel the flow. One last dance before goodbye. Underneath the dark blue sky, when the violins cry low, we become the flames of tango. Black silk dress and diamonds in your hair, every single movement pulls me there. Old guitars are singing broken dreams. Nothing here is ever what it seems. Your perfume lives forever in the air, like a memory I cannot repair. This is tango, burning through the night. Bodies moving slowly in the candlelight. Hold me closer, don't let go. Feel the fire, feel the flow. One last dance before goodbye. Underneath the dark blue sky, when the violins cry low, we become the flames of tango. Spin me around till the world fades away. Love is a game only the lonely can play. This is tango, hearts are beating wild, like forbidden lovers running through the night. Step by step into desire, kissing flames and endless fire. Even when the music dies, you will still live in my eyes. Forever lost inside the glow of our eternal tango.
Moonlight falling on the avenue, every lonely road reminds me of you. Soft piano echoes through the night, your red lips glowing in the silver light. One slow dance and time begins to fade. Love is written in the moves we made. Moonlight tango, hold me in your arms. Lost forever in your dangerous charm. Step by step, our shadows start to fly like two spirits underneath the sky. Feel the fire moving through your soul. When you touch me, I lose all control, till the stars no longer glow. We will dance this moonlight
crystal rain is falling from above. Every heartbeat sounds like broken love. Old guitars are singing low and sweet, while our hearts are moving to the beat. In your eyes I see another world, where the night and passion slowly swirl. Moonlight tango, hold me in your arms, lost forever in your dangerous charm. Step by step, our shadows start to fly like two spirits underneath the sky. Feel the fire moving through your soul. When you touch me, I lose all control, till the stars no longer glow. We will dance this moonlight tango, spin slowly through the dark tonight. Only you can make the pain feel right. One last kiss before the dawn appears. Stay with me beyond the passing years. Moonlight tango, burning deep inside. Two wild hearts with nowhere left to hide. Even when the music fades away, our love will never disappear. Through the darkness, through the glow, forever bound within this show. You and I will always know the magic of the moonlight tango. In the silence of the smoky bar, I saw your eyes shine like a falling star. Black roses lying on the piano keys. Your whisper moved me like a midnight breeze. Every step is danger, every touch is fire. You awaken all my hidden dark desires. Shadow tango, dancing skin to skin, losing all control to the night we're in. Hearts are racing to the violin like a beautiful, unforgettable sin. Take my hand and steal my soul. Move your body nice and slow, till the morning steals the glow. We belong inside the shadow tango. Silver moonlight pouring through the rain, your red lips calling out my name again. Old guitar crying in a corner light, while we disappear into the night. One more kiss before the music fades. Love is written in the moves we made. Shadow tango, dancing skin to skin, losing all control to the night we're in. Hearts are racing to the violin like a beautiful, unforgettable sin. Take my hand reflecting deeply in your eyes. Even when the music disappears, you will echo through my ears. Every heartbeat tells me so. I was born for this tango, forever trapped inside your soul, in our endless shadow tango. City lights are fading in the rain. Lonely echoes calling out your name. High heels walking slowly through the smoke. Every glance between us feels like hope. Your touch is dangerous and sweet, like a drum beneath my heartbeat. Tango of the night, hold me tight. Move with me until the morning light. Every step ignites the fire inside. Two wild hearts with nowhere left to hide. Feel the rhythm taking over slow. Like a river, we just let it flow. When the violins begin to play, love will lead our souls away. Crystal glasses shining near the bar. Broken dreamers dancing from afar. Black and red are colors of desire. Your eyes pull me deeper into fire. One more turn before the music dies. I can see forever in your eyes. Tango of the night, hold me tight. Move with me until the morning light. Every step ignites the fire inside. Two wild hearts with nowhere left to hide. Feel the rhythm taking over slow. Like a river, we just let it flow. When the violins begin to play, love will lead our souls away. Living in our minds, spin around beneath the moon above, lost forever in this dance of love. Tango of the night, burning bright, shadow dancing under neon light. Even when the final song is gone, our hearts will keep on dancing on till the stars fall from the sky, till the rivers all run dry. You and I will always know the magic of this endless tango. Candles flicker in the midnight hall. Your silhouette is dancing through it all. Velvet gloves and roses dyed in red. Every word you whisper fills my head. One slow step and the world disappears. Only music, only passion here. Velvet tango, take me through the night. Spin me gently underneath the golden light. Every movement feels like destiny. Your dark eyes keep calling out to me. Hearts on fire as the shadows flow, lost together in this endless glow. Till the sunrise paints the sky, we will dance and never say goodbye. Old guitar crying softly in the smoke, every promise hidden in your joke. Silver moonlight shining on your face, like an angel full of dangerous grace. Your perfume lingers like a melody. This forbidden love has captured me. Velvet tango, take me through the night. Spin me gently underneath the golden light. Every movement feels like destiny. Your dark eyes keep calling out to me. Hearts on fire as the shadows flow, lost together in this endless glow. Till the sunrise paints the sky, we will dance and never say goodbye. Closer now, don't break away. Love is only one dance away. Hold me tight until the end of time, your heartbeat moving close to mine. Velvet tango, burning deep inside. Two lonely souls with nowhere left to hide. Even when the music fades away, your memory forever stays. Every dream begins to glow inside this velvet tango. Underneath the stars above, we surrender to the dance of love. Dim street lanterns glowing in the mist. Your soft red lips are danger when they kiss. The night cafe still plays that old refrain, a lonely tango drifting through the rain. Your fingertips are writing on my skin, a silent game nobody ever wins. Whispers of tango calling out tonight. Two hearts dancing underneath the fading light. Step by step our shadows intertwine. Your soul moving slowly close to mine. Feel the passion burning deep below, like a fire only lovers know. Till the final violin echoes low, we will live in whispers of tango. Crystal teardrops falling from your eyes, hidden truths behind your sweet disguise. Old champagne and cigarettes remain like memories we cannot wash away. One more turn before the dawn appears. One more dance between our love and fears. Whispers of tango calling out tonight. Two hearts dancing underneath the fading tango. Closer now, don't break this spell. Heaven hides inside this carousel. Every heartbeat pulls me into you, like the rhythm lovers always knew. Whispers of tango float across the night, burning softly underneath the pale moonlight. Even when the stars all disappear, your voice will always find me here. Through the darkness we still glow, forever trapped inside this show. You and I will always know the magic of whispers of tango.